Hello guys, welcome to the new video. And if you want to create emails which are highly creative, colorful and interactive and have the links in it within the templates, you have to follow me. So to create these kind of emails, what you have to do is you have to go to Chrome Web Store and then type email templates. So when you will type email templates, you're gonna see this Chrome extension right here. So what you have to do is you have to click on this extension and you have to add it to your software. If you have Chrome, add it to Chrome. If you have Brave, add it to Brave, or Firefox, add it to Firefox. So what this email templates are actually like HTML files that are like highly creative or colorful, which can actually engage your audience pretty well. So this is like a tutorial going on. Just cross it. We don't need to watch it right now. And this is like your cloud HQ, and here you can like browse your templates, go to dashboard, merge tags, help and support, home, email templates, etc. But now to create the email which is like that highly colorful, interactive and good looking, you have to go to compose and add a recipient. To add recipient, what you have to do is you have to type for me, I'm just adding myself as my recipient, so I'll just say Jisho. So I will add myself as recipient. Let the subject be uh, father. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to go to this option. If you don't find this option right here present, what you're gonna do is you are going to go to more options, and then in more options you will find this options. So just click on insert template. And now there in free templates we're going to find our templates. Here you can search what kind of templates you want, and there are like 1324 templates in all. So let's say I'm my subject is father, so I will just say search father, father, and there are oh wait, so I'll just search father, and here are these templates concerning that. So let's say I want to like take one of these templates. What I'm gonna take is like I'm just gonna go to this template and then select this pencil option that says copy and edit in my template. So just select it and wait for a few while until this template loads. So here it is, edit HTML tab, and let's see. So here is our template, and here are like columns, headings, text, buttons, divider, social attachment, etc, etc. So let's say I want to change image. Let's say I want to change this particular image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this image and then drop or upload my own image if I have one, or if I don't have an image, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to more image and then select stock photos. Now I will just select what it is. It's like a beard oil, so I'll just type beard beard oil, or okay, so this is like beard oils. And if I want to like change this one, I can just select these and it will be like change, boom. But if you don't want to change it, you are free to not do so. So this is how you do it. But as for the text, what you can do is you can just select it, you can just select the whole it, and then you can just type whatever gibberish you want to type there. So that's how you do it, guys, and there is still more to it. What else you can do is you see that here it's written like wait, so here it says unsubscribe. So what you can do here is you can actually add your own URL. You can actually add your own URL here, and it will be like when this is like ready, when this is like ready, your email template is ready, and the user will click on that particular place, they're gonna directly redirect it to your URL site. So let's say uh, here I'll just select it and I'll just paste my URL. So let's say my URL is uh, instagram.com. So this is my URL, and I'll just uh, please enter a URL. So this is my URL, and that's it. So I have added my URL here, which is instagram.com. So when this template will be completed, and I will finally send it to someone, and then he clicks here, he will be redirected to the Instagram. So you can also create a template for your like YouTube channel, and you can add your YouTube links in it and send them to like a variety of people. And that's it, guys. That was the like what how you can use like the main key features in this, and how you can actually make templates. But here is how you can also edit headings and text. And yes, one more thing, guys, that if you want to like change the text type, you can make it bold, italic, underline, or you can just their alignment. You can adjust their alignment, and you can change their like size, or you can even change their like text font type. So yes, but it's pretty much the same as what you do in Word. So it is not like really that hard. And so that's it, guys. When you will like send this template to users, they can be directly like redirected to your URLs, or your websites or anything. Guys, you can still add columns and buttons, just like you have to just go and like drag it here and put it here, so it will like add here. Now for the button, what happens is you can put a button here, and in the button again you can put your URL. Okay, so, and but for the columns you can just go ahead and drag it here, and then above will be like a column. That's how you do it, guys. And if you want that's it for how you can create Gmail interactive and creative Gmail templates. And if you want me to like create more videos like this, please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that's it, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.